In this episode, we shall discuss the Indigo Revolt. Indigo Revolt has a very important role to play in the making of modern India, simply because it was considered the first general strike in the history of Indian peasantry, even before the working class movement. It was also considered the first to teach the natives the real value of combination and political agitation. It is also the first revolution in Bengal after the arrival of the British. It was known as the Blue Mutiny. Now let us look into few of its features. It was seen that the peasants were forced to cultivate indigo and were subjected to brute oppression by the Englishmen. The planters never paid higher prices to the cultivators. Now, the deputy magistrate at Jessore, Abdul Latif, had ordered one planter Mackenzie that no indigo should be grown on farmers' lands or the peasants' lands. Now, this judgment encouraged the peasants to a great deal. The immediate cause was seen with the judgment given by Eden, the magistrate of Barasat. In this judgment, he gave two decisions. One was that he upheld the peasant right to grow what they wanted and not to be forced by the planters. The other was that the police had the primary duty to protect these peasants against the planters. In the April of 1860, the Barasat peasants, or the peasants from Barasat, they refused to grow indigo and they protested against the planters. Now, this was significant because it included sections like the zamindars, talukdars, rich ryots or the peasants, the moneylenders, the village headmen. And this particular incident was also considered the first general strike. Just before April, in March of 1860, the government set up a commission to look into the complete details of the indigo cultivators, and it gave a report that the entire system is vicious in theory, injurious in practice, and radically unsound. Now, these indigo cultivators and their plight drew a lot of sympathy from all classes of the society, and this was reflected in various newspapers and journals. In particular, Neel Darpan, the play which was composed by Deenbandhu Mitra, depicted the cultivator's agony along with the planter's brutality towards the cultivator. Lt.Governor Grant, he was impressed with the capability of combined and simultaneous action of this Indigo Revolt, and it is often said that it was a precursor to Gandhi's non-cooperation movement. And it is interesting to note that it was said if the area and the number of participating peasants were considered, it surpasses the campaign led by Mahatma Gandhi. Now, this is very interesting, and this point exactly makes it important in the history of modern India. Thank you.